Aii មានការបណ្ដុះបណ្ដាលមានកម្រិតល្អ
Everyone is making a mistake, so don't be afraid of it.
ខ្ញុំបាទឈ្មោះលក្ខសុភាខ្ញុំជាឪពុករបស់សុកអេង
Hello, my name is Aii. I am a student in level 6 at Aii Chbar Ampov Campus, and I am a champion of 10 magnitude good Wordspeed Contest.
ខ្ញុំបានឲ្យកូនមករៀននៅសាលា Aii ទី1វាមានទីលំនៅជាផ្ទះទី2មានការបណ្ដុះបណ្ដាលមានកម្រិតល្អមានការយកចិត្តដាក់គាត់មករៀននៅសាលា Aii នេះមានការរីកចម្រើនខាងចំណេះដឹងមានការយកចិត្តដាក់ពីលោកគ្រូព្រួយបញ្យលហើយគាត់ក៏ខិតខំ script បញ្ជក់ពីលោកគ្រូអ្នកគ្រូដែលបានរៀនផ្ដល់នៅចំណេះដឹងគ្រប់បែបយ៉ាងដល់សុកអេង
Helped me a lot with my learning skill. I can learn new things by doing the project and also the activities in the class, like the teachers that have teachers, improve my speaking before I cannot speak well like this. Also my writing too. Can learn about the society from the book and also the projects that we have done in the class. If you want to study a new language at Aii, don't be afraid of making mistakes. It's a naturalist of the learning process.
ប៉ាសប្បាយចិត្តណាស់ដែលកូនបានខិតខំរៀននៅក្នុងការទទួលពានរង្វាន់នេះប៉ាសប្បាយរីករាយដែលបានកូនខិតខំបញ្ជក់ចំណេះដឹងពីលោកគ្រូអ្នកគ្រូនៅសាលា Aii នេះ
I would like to say I'm very thankful to my dad and also my mom that give me a chance for me to study at Aii, and without them I cannot get my achievements like today. And I also promise with them that I will try hard on my studies to won't make them disappointed in me, and they try really hard on their work to spend money for my study, and this is very meaningful for me too.